is a Lego gift with purchase that I got from the supermarket last year. And so this is a burger stall and it actually looks very cute. We also have a little like case with it. So there are 4 stalls like bubble tea, popcorn, ice cream, and hamburger stall. And I've got the burger stall. This was actually like random, so you can't actually choose the one that you want. So this is our cook, and he looks very simple, and he's wearing a chef's hat, and he also has other hairstyles. So this is a very fancy man hairstyle, and we can also put this hair so that the cook would turn into a female. But I think the chef's hat suits him the best, whether it's a woman or a man. So now let's start building the burger stall. So I got this set last year. I'm not so sure what I bought to get this one, but they were like giving these stuffs like gift with purchase. And then it was just about like little amount of time that I started doing YouTube. So it's actually a little bit more than 1 year that since I got this set. It's actually a long time ago actually. So we have this picnic carpet stuff. So I suppose that's where the like customers are supposed to eat their burgers. Oh, it could be kind of like a pickup store where customers can just pick up their food and don't really necessarily have to sit down. So this is our chef. But why is he holding a fork? I mean, like, who uses forks when they're eating hamburgers? Anyway, so we just have one hamburger in this set, and it's actually quite nice with like those like burger like buns and like cheese. And so this is our gigantic, very, very big hamburger that we're going to put on top of the roof. And this hamburger also has all the ingredients that we need inside a hamburger. So wait, these two got stuck together. There you go, now it looks much better. Now this set is making me want to eat hamburgers. Anyway, so we also have a very cute cheese, and this kind of looks like pepperonis, but I think they're supposed to be tomatoes. So this is our very big hamburger, and there's also this Lego logo and 2 spare hairs. And we can also put this on top inside the case, kind of like this. It looks as if like an egg has hatched. It looks very cute, right? So you can also play with these sets with other mini dolls that you already have. So this is the end of the video. Bye bye!